Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the best way to maximize your emergency savings fund on Cowrywise. You see, most car owners have some form of insurance coverage, either third party or comprehensive insurance coverage, to ensure that their cars can be replaced or repaired in case of accidents. But many car owners reserve insurance claims for extremely serious issues like theft or wreckages, known as write-offs. For other incidents like scratches, dents, run-ins with downfalls, and the rest, the majority of car owners typically cover the cost out of pocket instead of making a claim. Now, the principle for emergency saving funds works the same way. Your investment in emergency saving fund should be your last resort when all else fails. We hope you never experience an emergency of an extreme nature, but life happens and it's important to plan ahead. And if you do have an emergency, you should hopefully have saved up enough funds which will serve as a viable lifeline if life happens. Generally accepted amount one should target annually, based on suggestions from top advisors globally, is 6 months of living expenses. For example, if your monthly living expense is 200,000 naira, your emergency fund should be at least 200,000 naira times 6 months, which gives you 1,200,000 naira. And you can build this over 2 years by saving 50,000 naira monthly, which can guarantee returns during that time frame. But how has emergency savings fund performed so far? To date, Cowrywise has had thousands of users fund their emergency savings plans every day, but only 0.88% of users are meeting their emergency goal targets, which means that they have successfully kept aside up to 6 times of their monthly living expenses. On the other hand, 98.89% of customers are currently not meeting their savings targets. What is the most likely reason for this? The likely culprit is that customers are not funding their emergency plans frequently based on the 6 times guidelines, or are making insistent withdrawals that prevent them from meeting their goals. It's important to meet your saving goals, and as an investor, you should view your emergency savings fund as an investment, as it currently offers up to 10% per annum in annual returns. Having invested 6 times of your monthly expenses gives you enough funds to manage your existing lifestyle or cover the cost of your emergency in case of any eventualities. Hope you understand how to maximize your emergency saving fund. See you in the next video, where we're going to be looking at some typical questions that were asked and the answers to those questions about Cowrywise emergency fund.